Welcome. In front of me is HP ProBook 635, and in this video I will show you how to restart this PC. So the fastest and easiest way to do that is, of course, by opening the Start menu, going into Power Options and selecting Restart option right here. But if you can't access this menu, for example, if your laptop is frozen, you can always use the power button, which is located on your keyboard. So as you can see right now, it's lit up, so you have to press and hold it until the light on the button is gone completely. And when it's gone, just press the power button again and your laptop will turn back on. And that's how you restart your PC. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.